Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest technology related updates. Today's my topic is going to be very interesting. I am going to tell you about what will be the world in 2050. What do you think? The world will be likely by 2050? Will we have flying cars? Will we have solved world hunger? Will we have colonized Mars? Did we finally make our shoes smell good after spending the day in 30 degrees temperatures? Let's start. Our imagination has gotten the best of us over the years, but can our fantasies ever come true? Time will tell. Indeed, a lot can happen at a time. It's hard to predict what will occur next Thursday. Never mind how our existence will be shaped in a few decades. Still, the smartest people in business, finance, and policy making think they have an idea of the most powerful countries in the world by the 2050. The world of work in 2050. If you are unlucky enough not to have retired by then, the working world will be a very different place to how it is today. The vision of the future for workers tends to scale from a nihilistic view of the robots taking our jobs, leaving us permanently trapped indoors, living entirely from Amazon Prime supplies, through to the utopia of the eradication of repetitive tasks using the artificial intelligence. This will leave humans free to think, create, and act while never needing to leave your home thanks to improved teleworking and those highly convenient Amazon delivery drones. But what do the experts think it will really be like? Half of the current jobs in the world are unlikely to exist in 2050. The world is changing faster than we think, and the way we learn things and what we learn should be changed. Employers should create an engaging learning culture at work by empowering their staff to take an ownership of their professional development. IoT technology will change product designs. According to Forbes, IoT technology will be in 95% of electronics for new product designs. AI will become a positive net job motivator. Many people worry about AI in our lives as they think that at the end robot will replace people and we won't have jobs for it. But But according to Forbes, AI will become a positive net job motivator, creating 2.3 million jobs while eliminating only 1.8 million jobs in future. Nanobots will plug our brains straight into the clouds. Nanobots technology will also occur in future. That tech of the future. Nanobots, he believes that 2050 nanobots will plug our brains straight into the cloud. It will give us full immersion virtual reality from within the nervous system, just like we do know with our smartphones, but we will be able to do it with our brains. It is very interesting technology. We will be able to expand our neocortex in the cloud and forget about memory problems, evidence problems, and etc. According to Business Insider, space tourism could be feasible in 2050, but likely only for the every wealthy. Rocket companies like Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin, and Elon Musk's SpaceX will push the envelope with space travel enough that tourism will be feasible in the year 2050. For example, someone who could afford to pay 100 million quick quid cloud Quid could spend a week in orbit, but it would only be for rich people in 2050. He said it's not going to be something that's cheap, anything, anytime soon. And self-driving cars will make driving safer despite the crashes involving self-driving cars that have hit the headlines these years. These area of AI could dramatically reduce deaths and injuries on our roads in our future. According to a report by Stanford University, not only will self-driving cars reduce traffic-related deaths and injuries, but they could bring about changes in our lifestyles as well. The next thing is we will have more time for ourselves. Also, the increased comfort and decreased cognitive load with self-driving cars may affect where people choose to live. And drone solution for discovering untouched places deep in underground mines. Some zones are inaccessible, but a company like Inconova started to work on built drones that fly, drive, and climb, and use a technology to scan zones and create a 3D map of them. With this advancing aerial robotics technology, we will be able to push human reach to any space untouched by man-made infrastructure. Next thing is virtual reality. Virtual reality future learning will be a lot more interactive, as virtual learning can be used to send all students to space station and make them see things look real as though they are at that location. This is going to be very interesting in future. Next is you may not need a phone, though smartphones are becoming smarter day by day, but in the future you will have access to your phone and more by something else like hologram. Hologram is very popular, will be very popular in future because people use hologram in their mostly works. Next thing is instead of typing on your phone, you will use holographic screen to perform actions like scanning, making you can call to other people, texting, and all you could think of. Artificial eyes. Bionic eyes have been mainstay of science fiction for decades, but now real world research is beginning to catch up with far-sighted storytellers. Artificial eyes restore sight to people with different kinds of vision impairment. Natural language gadgets will get weird. Speech enabled tech like Alexa, Siri, or Google Voice will start to shape our own speech. So, thanks for watching our today's video. If you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest technology updates. Don't forget to like our video. Thanks for watching our today's video.